Bibimbop by Linda Sue Park, illustrated by Ho Baek Lee. Almost time for supper, rushing to the store, Mama buys the groceries. More, Mama, more. Hurry, Mama, hurry, gotta shop, shop, shop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bibimbop. Home and in the kitchen, eggs to stir and fry. Mama, catch the spatula, flip the eggs high. Hurry, Mama, hurry, gotta flip, flip, flop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bibimbop. Rice is on the boil, bubbling in the pot, white and sticky lickety, steaming good and hot. Hurry, flurry rice, gotta pop, pop, pop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bibimbop. Mama's knife is shiny, slicing fast and neat. Garlic and green onions, skinny strips of meat. Hurry, Mama, hurry, gotta chop, chop, chop. Hungry, very hungry for some Bibimbop. Spinach, sprouts and carrots, each goes in a pan. Let me pour the water in. Yes, I know I can. Sorry, Mama, sorry, gotta mop, 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 hungry. In a hurry for some Bibimbop. Bowls go on the table, big ones striped in blue. I help set the glasses out, spoons and chopsticks too. Hurry, family, hurry, gotta hop, hop, hop. Dinner's on the table, and it's Bibimbop. Quiet for a moment, Papa says the grace. Everybody says amen, a smile on every face. Rice goes in the middle, egg goes right on top. Mix it, mix like crazy. Time for Bibimbop.